Find the install package. Click Setup icon. Click Next Step to finish installation. It pops up the window of a series port error. That's because we haven't matched the serial port. And we need to add the Bluetooth device to the computer. Before add the Bluetooth, we need to power on the roster. And the system will find the new Bluetooth device. And we need to type in the Bluetooth number. Click Next Step to match with the roster.
输入下一步。
Click Next Step pending match. After finish matching, the system will automatically install driver.
虚拟窗口
The two serial port communication 9 and 10 is finished install.
两个都安装完成。
If you forget the serial port, you can click the Bluetooth dashboard and select the display Bluetooth device.
显示栏呀
Select the Bluetooth device. Click setting.
选中相应的设备，点击属性。
In the hardware tab, you can see the serial port.
在硬件里面可以看得到窗口号，点击确认，退出，再打开我们的
Open our roasting managing software.
选择
It reminds the serial port is error.
提示窗口打开错误，
We choose the standard roasting tab.
选择
Click setting.
在设置里
Select serial port setting.
刚才
Insert the serial port number we previously configured.
选择保存，
Click Save to save in the
不
setting.
需要再设置。
Next time, we don't need to configure again. We click Start
取
button.
温度
It will real-time display the bin temperature, exhaust temperature, etc.
是
parameters.
所有的功能。
Now we test the functions heating, cooling, mixing, fair,
冷却混
damper.
这些都可以在
Now we test the heating, cooling, mixing, fair, damper, air pressure. Now the curve is pending drawing.
一致
By adjusting these parameters, we can check if the machine works properly.
可以通过
By adjusting firepower or damper, we can test the machine works or not.
设备速度
Now we test the constant temperature function.
使用恒温
If the desired temperature is 100 degree, we can tap the 100 into the keyboard
然后选中
and
恒
choose
温
constant selection.
自动执行
The constant system will automatically perform a heat up.
此温度
Adjust the air damper and a heat up to 100 degree. When the temperature reaching 100 degrees, the system will
达到后
remind.
总会提示
Now we're gonna make a simple roast, 50 grams.
可
For
与
example,
录播
if the drop temperature is 130 degree, we need to change the constant from 100 degree to 130. And the system will automatically heat up to 130 degree. And we will drop the green beans at 130 temperature.
等到130度以后再入豆，
Once the designated temperature 130 achieved, the
达到
system
指
will
定温
remind.
度，
Now we're dropping the green beans.
入豆完
After
手
loading
洗
the
手
green
动
beans, firstly we need to make a manual roast. We need to master the temperature diverge. We'll skip not talking this in this episode.
达到指定温度
130 degree achieved. Running smoothly for some time.
时间
About the roasting curve, it relevant three parameters: name, start point, and end point of the
烘焙
curve.
完成
Now
后
start
可以
roasting.
保存曲线，
Here skips the roasting phase.
结束点
After finish roasting,
称
we
选
choose
择
save,
保存，
and the data will be saved. And then you can find and invoke the data in the standard roasting interface.
烘焙好的整个完整曲线，
In the standard roasting screen, you need to refresh.
曲线在
Then the curve file can be displayed.
明
Double-click the curve,
曲线显示
the curve be code and display.
看到跟刚才烘焙曲线是一致的。
There's three elements in automatic roasting: the dropping temperature, the roasting capacity, and coffee variety. To achieve auto roasting, the dropping temperature must be the same, so we use constant temperature to preheat the drum into 130. And then we click auto roasting and dropping the green beans, and the system will automatically perform roasting. You can see the curve is running as the standard roasting curve. The two curves is nearly coincide, the bean curve. The system will also highlight the turning point, and the roasting is almost finished. The two curves is basically coincident. After finish roasting, the system will remind, automatic roasting is finished. Please discharge your beans. In the same time, you need to cancel the automatic running button in the bottom left corner. And the cooling, mixing, and brewing will also be opened by the system. Now the whole roasting process is finished. If you want to auto power off, you need to tap the desired cooling